Hello guys, so today we're in the downtown area of Boracay. Like here is where you can find most of the fast food restaurant and stuff. There's like a McDonald's right there, and you have a nice lake here. So like here is where like most people come to just do some daily shoppings and come out and eat and do their stuff. So I'm just gonna walk through and check this place out. We have a nice little lake here. Like usually in the summertime, like when it's nice and sunny, like you have a bunch of people here, like like people just come out and crowd around this place, and it's like crazy. So far I like Boracay, man, and it's not even that expensive. Like you go some touristy place, you would think like, oh, it's gonna be like super expensive. Like no, like the most expensive stuff here is like place to stay. That's like the most expensive. Like otherwise food and stuff is like pretty cheap here. Oh, Club Galaxy. I think I've seen this club in Thailand before, a couple times. Club Galaxy. Barber shop. Some real nice girls there, man. Like I haven't seen one unattractive chick here, man. Like everybody is cute. Trying to find me a barber shop, man. Like I just went to this barber shop, got my hair cut, and the guy didn't shave. So I'm like, what's the deal with that? Like you are cutting someone's head. You cut someone's head, you gave someone a haircut, and then you can't shave them. I'm like, that's like a waste of money, man. So now I'm just hunting to find me another barber shop that can shave me up. Yay! You can see over there, there's a lot of like Japanese place, Japanese restaurant and stuff. Like your laundromat right there. This is a little park, nice park. You can walk through here, come do your jogging, whatever. Chubby crab. Never heard of that place before. Guessing they sell seafood there. The rain is coming in time and just left things up for you. Oh, there's a name tag. Yes. Yes, Balakbat. What's that, sir? No, I'm okay. I'm okay. No massage today. Guys, I'm not going to be talking right through the video, so you guys just get some sightseeing for yourself, you know. Budget man. Picture?
Good picture.
Picture.
No pay, free.
No.
I'm the best legit photographer here in Boracay. For remembrance.
Oh, but I'm okay, man.
How about activities tomorrow, brother? Do you have? But me is cheaper. Me, only cheaper, brother.
Oh,
I give you Philippine price.
Oh, tomorrow I leave. Tomorrow I leave.
Tomorrow, leave?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
I know, but tomorrow I
Really?
leave. True. Whoa. Oh, I like this little place here. Nice food truck. Holy crap. There's water everywhere, man. Yeah, but I plan people. Oh, what's that way again? Like nonsense, you're saying? Yeah. Hello, mango. It's like hello, mango. No, thank you. I think I want to come back here myself. The guy was trying to speak French, man. I don't speak French. All the French I can speak is French fries. No other French. What is in here? Oh, it's like a restaurant or something. This is nice, very nice, guys. I can tell you that. Coconut jelly.